guys, for making the One Last Time Omnitrix, we are going to need a pattern. This is the pattern. So now we are going to cut it as shown. After it's cut, we are going to draw it on cardboard. After it's drawn, we are going to cut it. Now we take the pattern and cut it as shown. When it's cut, we are going to need green foam. You can even use paper. Now we are going to draw the pattern on the green foam as shown, and we'll cut it. After it's cut, it will look like this. And now we are going to take a cardboard, the cardboard we drew, and we are going to fold it like this. And now we are going to need this light green shade of color paper, and now we're going to stick it on the top of cardboard. After I put the glue, I'm going to stick the paper on the cardboard. After it's stuck, it will look like this. And now we're going to take the green foam pattern we made, and now we are going to stick it on the base like this. And now we are going to design like this, as you can see that. And now we are going to need a thick EVA foam black circle like this, and we are going to stick it in the middle as shown. And now we're going to need a black thick paper and make a matrix code on that. After it's done, it should fit on like this. And now we will stick it. And when it's stick, we need this white thick paper. And now we're going to paint it as a Benton logo. And now we'll stick these both parts together. And now we need a black thick paper circle like this and stick it on the Benton logo. And after it's done, it should fit on the Omnitrix like this. Now we are going to need the side covering of black thick paper. It is a black thick paper strip, and we're going to stick it on the Benton logo and the matrix code as shown. It should look like this. And now we need a large black foam to stick on the back side of the Omnitrix like this, as you can see guys. And now we need Velcro so that we can wear the watch easily. We're going to stick it as shown. And we're going to do the same for the other side. After it's stuck, it will look like this, and it should stick like this. Our Benton Omnitrix is almost ready. One Last Time is almost ready, but for the side part is uneven, so we are going to smooth it with a black thin EVA foam strip as shown. And when we cover it, it will look like this, as you can see. And our Benton One Last Time Omnitrix is ready. I hope you love these videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.